मैनेजमेंट, राइट डाउन कैनोपी मैनेजमेंट। कैनोपी, कैनोपी में उसका आकार, वृक्ष का आकार। कैनोपी मैनेजमेंट। क्या बोलते हैं तेलुगु में? कैनोपी मैनेजमेंट को क्या कहते हैं? आकार, पौधों का आकार। कैनोपी मीन्स आकार। नंबर वन, when we will give the water, number one, point number one, when we will give the water 6 inch outside the boundary of the moon shadow, when we will give the water 6 inch outside of the boundary of moon shadow, boundary of the noon shadow, the roots will come out to take the vapsa in the furrow. Will come out, पानी लेने के लिए आगे बढ़ेगी ना. The roots will come out to take the vapsa through the furrows. नाली में पानी देने के लिए बाहर निकलेगी, बाहर आएगी. The roots will come out to take the moisture through the furrows. ये नाली कैनॉल क्या बोलते हैं आप तेलुगु में? कालवा. कालवा में आएगी वो. Ultimately, the length of the root will be increased. Ultimately, the length of the root will be increased. समझ में आया? जब पानी लेने के लिए जड़ बाहर आएगी तो उसकी लंबाई बढ़ेगी ना. Length will be increased. Number 2, when the length of the root will be increased, when the length of the root will be increased, automatically the girth of the root will be increased. Girth means गोलाई, मोटाई, मोटाई, मोटापा, मोटापा, मोटाई. क्या बोलते हैं तेलुगु में मोटाई को? वो मोटा आदमी होता है उसको क्या कहते हैं? यहाँ बैठी हुई छोड़कर. The girth will be. Number 3. Number 3. Repeat. When the length of the root will be increased, automatically the girth of the root will be, size of the root will be increased. The thickness, size, आकार, the size of the root will be increased. समझ में आया? हाँ. Number 3. When the size of the root will be increased, when the size of the root will be increased, ultimately the size of the stem will be increased. That is called root shoot ratio. जब जड़ की गोलाई बढ़ेगी तो पौधे के तने की गोलाई भी बढ़ेगी. कांडम की गोलाई भी बढ़ेगी. The girth of the root will be increased automatically. Size of the stem, कांडम, stem, size of the stem will be increased. कांडम क्या बोलते हैं इसको? कांडम, कांडा की गोलाई भी बढ़ेगी. The size of the kanda will be increased. Stem will be increased. Number 5. 4. When the size of the stem will be increased, when the size of the stem will be increased, automatically, when the size of the stem will be increased, automatically, the length of the plant will be increased. Height of the plant will be increased. Height of the plant will be increased, comma, हाइट को क्या कहते हैं आप? हाँ, ऊंचाई उसकी बढ़ेगी, कॉमा कॉमा, नंबर ऑफ ब्रांचेस विल बी इंक्रीज, नंबर ऑफ ब्रांचेस विल बी इंक्रीज, number of branches will be increased, size of the tree will be increased, size of the tree will be increased, size of the tree will be increased, ultimately number of leaves will be increased. Ultimately number of leaves will be, अगर आकार बढ़ता है तो पत्तों की भी बढ़ती है ना, number of leaves will be increased. That means number of leaves will be increased. That means leaf surface area will be increased. That means photosynthetic leaf surface area will be increased. That means photosynthetic leaf surface area will be increased. This is the equation. It is called, it is natural symmetry of the development of the plant body. Next, what is number? 5. 1 square feet leaf surface area, 1 square feet leaf surface area, 1 square feet leaf surface area take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere comma, take water vapor from the soil, take water vapor from the soil given by the monsoon, monsoon, not government. गवर्नमेंट लेता है, देता कहाँ है? टैक्स देता है, सब कुछ लेता ही लेता है. देता है 50 मिली इंडोसल्फान फॉर सुसाइड. ठीक है? And 1 square feet leaf is surface area, and this 1 square feet leaf surface area conserve Sponsor means suck, absorb. Okay, absorb 12.5 kilocalorie. 12.5 12.5 12.5 kilocalorie solar energy. 12.5 kilocalorie solar energy in one day. In one day, and manufacture 4.5 gram food, and manufacture 4.5 gram food material, that means carbohydrates, and manufacture 1 square feet lip surface area, manufacture 4.5 gram food, that means carbohydrates, that means raw sugar in one day. कितना पैदा करता है 1 स्क्वायर फीट लिप सरफेस एरिया एक दिन में? 4.5 ग्राम फूड मटेरियल है ना, कार्बोहाइड्रेट. This raw sugar is distributed evening. This raw sugar is distributed in evening शाम को उसका क्या होता है, वितरण होता है, यानी वो पत्ते वितरण करते हैं. And through this 4.5 gram raw sugar, through this 4.5 gram food, we get through this 4.5 ग्राम फूड 4.5 ग्राम खाद्य में से हमें we get 1.5 gram grain production. We get 1.5 gram grain production. Grain means cereals, millets, pulses, beej. 1.5 gram grain production. Otherwise 2.25 gram 2.25 gram fruit production or sugarcane production. Fruit production or sugarcane production. फलों की उपज अथवा गन्ने की उपज. That means how much maximum quantity of the leaves, that means how much maximum quantity of the leaves will be existed on the plant body, how much maximum quantity of the leaves will be existed on the plant body as a result as a result, maximum solar energy is consumed by the leaves. Maximum solar energy is consumed by the leaves and we get maximum production. We get maximum production. समझ में आया क्या? क्या किया हमने? देखिए, ये सपोज ये छोटा पेड़ है, ये उसकी जड़ है। अब 6 इंच बाहर हमने पानी दिया, वाटर 6 इंच कैनोपी है ना, then root will come out and it will come in the furrow. Ultimately length will be increased. Ultimately girth will be increased. Ultimately girth of the stem will be increased. Ultimately the branches will be increased. Ultimately the canopy will be increased. Ultimately number of leaves will be increased. Ultimately the food production will be increased. Ultimately production will be. That means if you want to increase the production, you have to give the water 6 inch away the shadow. Is it correct? Write down mulching. There are 3 types of the mulching. There are 3 types of the mulching. One is soil mulching. Soil mulching means cultivation of the soil. Soil mulching means cultivation of the soil. Second, straw mulching. That means intercrops and mixed crops. Sorry, straw mulching. Straw mulching means residues of the crops. Mulching of the residues of the crop. And third one, live mulching. That means intercrops and mixed crops. Intercrops and mixed crops. Number one, soil mulching, that is the cultivation of the soil. And soil is covered by on the surface of the soil so that the water content in the soil can be preserved. Water evaporation losses should be stopped to the cracks, and the proper moisture should be available to the roots and microorganisms. So cultivation is very essential in the dryland farming, no doubt, but we are not to do the deep cultivation. Deep plowing, not at all, not at all. It is very harmful. Why? I will describe later on. Second, straw mulching. That means what are the residues are available of the crops where to utilize for mulching purpose in between two lines in the any crop uh, of any crop. We have yesterday uh, discussed about mulching. Third one, live mulching, that means symbiotic intercrops and mixed crops. Because symbiosis is most important for the plant body, no single body can survive if there is no any relatives nearest area, because everybody, maybe vegetation, they want mamta, vasalya, mamta, maya, that means affection. Without affection, nobody can live and survive. Plant also want the symbiosis of the nearest plant. There is exchange of nutrient to the root zone. Even they are talking to each other. There is a language. We can't see, but there is language of the talking, discussion in between two. The plants are having the feelings. It is proved scientifically. Dr. Jagdish Chandra Bose has proved it. So, just like human being, the plants are also acting just like human being. They are having the feelings, they are talking to each other, they are exchanging the nutrient to the root zone, and for that purpose, monocrop is the danger given by the agriculture universities. It is a pre-planned conspiracy. So don't take any monocrop. We have to create maximum biodiversity of the intercrops and mixed crops, and main crop will be benefited, and the farmers will also be benefited because they are getting continuous production from intercrops. That means like ATM machine. So live mulching means intercrops and mixed crops. Write down cultivation. There are three causes of the cultivation. There are three causes of the cultivation. Causes, karan, uddesh, CAUSES. There are three causes of the cultivation. Number one, to aerate the soil. To aerate the soil. Aerate. Aerate means to give available oxygen to the roots and microorganisms through the air. To circulate the air inside the soil. That is the correct word. To circulate the air inside the soil, this is the first cause of the cultivation, because when you cultivate the soil, ultimately the air is circulated inside the soil and oxygen is available to the roots and microorganisms. Number two, to conserve the rainwater in the soil, to conserve the entire rainwater to the soil. Rainwater, बारिश का पानी भूमि में संग्रहित करना, उसका दूसरा उद्देश्य होता है जोताई का. Inside the soil, so that Vapsa will be available to the roots and microorganisms. So that proper Vapsa will be available to the roots and microorganisms. And third one, weed control. Weeds are controlled by cultivation. Weeds are controlled by cultivation. Weeds mean हाँ हलकू हलकू ओके खड़कू तेलुगु में कहते हैं वीड्स हाँ राइट डाउन द upper surface soil uppermost surface soil of the land is the reserve bank. Uppermost surface soil is the reserve bank of the soil because 82 to 88% because 82 to 88% roots are existed in this 4.5 inch soil surface. 82 to 88% of the roots are existed. 80 to 88% roots in 4.5 inch soil surface area. You have to alert. You have to listen with full concentration. You are asking some questions. आपका शरीर यहाँ है, मन कहीं भटक रहा है हैदराबाद सिटी में. वहाँ रिश्तेदार रहते हैं, रिलेटिव रहते हैं, क्या करता होगा, घर में क्या हो रहा है, दिल्ली में क्या हो रहा है. 92 to 95% roots are existed in this 4.5. Sorry, 92 to 95% microorganisms are existed. मैं देख रहा था आप क्या ख्याल है अथवा नहीं. टेस्ट करना पड़ता है बीच बीच में. अपोजिंग पार्टी लीडर चाहिए. 92 to 95% microorganisms are existed in this 4.5 inch soil surface. That means entire living organisms are existed in this 4.5 gram, 5 inch soil surface. Even humus is created. Even the humus is created and deposited. Even the humus is created and deposited in this 4.5 gram soil surface. But when you plow the soil deep by the Rakshasa Tactera, when you plow the soil deep by Demon Tactera, Rakshasa Tactera, this 4.5-inch fertile soil is totally destroyed, dumped in the inside area. So don't plow the soil by Rakshasa tractor or tip. In emergency, you can cultivate the soil by tractor. In emergency, you can cultivate the soil by tractor with the instrument of rotavator or cultivator. Rotavator or cultivator. Rotavator or cultivator. Rotavator मालूम है ना? Because rotavator and cultivator only cultivate the uppermost 4.5-inch soil, not destroy the soil. Soil, not destroy the soil. You can utilize wooden plough and harrow very easily, naturally. These are the best instruments in the history of the Indian agriculture. In the orchard and sugarcane plantation, in the orchard means मामिडी बत्ताई है ना, तोटगारे बोलते ना, क्या बोलते आप? हाँ, in the orchard or sugarcane plantation, no cultivation at all. No cultivation in Jhurbat natural farming. No human cultivation in Jhurbat natural farming. Nature will cultivate the soil. Nature will cultivate the soil. We will not cultivate. Nature will cultivate. That is the duty of the nature. The local earthworms will plow the soil. Write down. The local earthworms will plow the soil. Earthworms, Vanapamu. देश वाले वानपामू will cultivate the soil naturally. अभी देखा ना आपने, नीचे ऊपर पूरा कल्टीवेशन करते हो. The roots of the main crop, intercrops and weeds. The roots, main crop, intercrop and weeds will be decayed वो गल जाएंगे after maturation. Will be spoiled, decomposed. Will be decomposed after maturation. वो खत्म हो जाएंगे, वो गल जाएंगे. Decomposed after maturation, आयु समाप्ति के बाद. a great network of the holes of the roots will be created. And the great network of the roots holes inside the soil will be created. बहुत बड़ा जाल वो खाली जगहों का, जड़ों के खाली जगह का फैल जाएगा. It is a cultivation. It is a cultivation by the nature. So many insect ants also will cultivate the soil. So many insect and ants will cultivate the soil. So nature will cultivate our soil in orchard and sugarcane. We will not cultivate the soil in zero-based natural farming. Cultivation is stopped. काम ही नहीं है, काम ही नहीं है. कल्टीवेशन नहीं है, नो कल्टीवेशन, नो एफआईएम, नो केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर, कोई काम ही नहीं है, कुछ काम ही नहीं है. एक ही काम है, पॉलिटिक्स, बाकी कोई काम नहीं. समझ में आया? समझ में आया? मल्चिंग समझ में आया? राइट. राइट डाउन. लाइव मल्चिंग. लाइव मल्चिंग मीन्स intercrops and mixed crops. Live mulching means intercrops and mixed crops. In the orchard, we have to take drumstick. In the orchard, we have to take the drumstick in between two plants. And in between two lines, in the belt, we have to take cowpea, alsanda, black gram, horse gram, Bengal gram, moth beans, matki, French beans, like pulses intercrops, like pulses intercrops, which will cover the soil speedily, will give the nitrogen to main crop, by means of the nitrogen fixing process. Will give the symbiosis to the main crop, सहजीवन. क्या बोलते तेलुगु में? सहजीवन. Symbiosis to the main crop, and will protect the soil moisture by means of the mulching, live mulching, will protect the soil moisture and will give the continuous production also. Will give continuous production also. Even in coconut and areca nut plantation also, even in coconut areca nut plantation, we have to take Gliricidia. We have to take Gliricidia on the Gliricidia vanilla, on the Gliricidia vanilla, on the areca nut black pepper, on the areca nut black pepper, in between two areca nut, coffee, cocoa, or banana, in between two areca nut, coffee, cocoa, banana, in between coffee, cocoa, banana, or in between areca nut and coffee, cocoa, pulses, moth bean, horse bean, horse gram, Bengal gram, or cowpea, alsanda, and in between two lines, turmeric, ginger, and chili. Then in between two lines of the areca nut, coconut, in the vacant space, turmeric, ginger, and chili like shadow-loving plants. Like shadow-loving plants. In the sugarcane, alsanda, that means cowpea, chili, marigold, black gram, and vegetables, giving 8 feet distance between two lines. Giving 8 feet distance between two lines. In battai, mosambi, munaga in between two plants. Munaga means drumstick in between two plants. In between drumstick and the munaga, chili, turmeric, ginger, and in the vacant space in between two lines, pulses and creeper vegetables. Pulses and creeper vegetables. क्रीपर माने फैलने वाली, ठीक है ना.